ingredients are set. You can see the egg white and you can see the egg yolk. Moving over to the next step, I'll place another bowl on my work surface. Here we are going to pour the egg yolk inside it. Next, I'll add 1 cup of sugar. You can substitute the sugar with powdered sugar because I'm using the granulated one. Next, I have 8 grams of vanilla sugar. This is optional. If you can't find it, just skip it. Going forward, we are going to cream everything together until it becomes very smooth, fluffy, and so creamy to the eyes. And this step is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes to cream it. You can also use your hands to beat it for like 5 to 6 minutes. pour in the batter inside the cake pans, and here you notice I have some wet towels, kitchen towels. We're going to use these wet towels to tie at the body of the cake pan. This will help to regulate the heat while the cake is baking in the oven. At the same time, it will enable us to come out with that fluffy, soft, moist, delicious cake. Finally, go ahead and tap the cake pan on your work surface so that the air bubbles in the cake will be released. Okay, now transfer to the oven and bake at 150 degrees for exactly 40 to 45 minutes, or until a skewer or toothpick inserted inside the cake comes out super duper clean. Okay friends, this is where we are going to draw the curtain for today's recipe. Here is our cake looking so delicious and so vanilla-ish in nature. Alright, so in my next episode, or in my next cake episode, you're going to see how we are going to decorate this cake. Okay, yes, so thank you so much for joining me in today's episode. I really hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. If you have, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share this video with your friends, loved ones, or anybody you want to share it with. Until I come your way next time, bye bye.